Hey guys, today we are cleaning up the neighbor's land that they said we could use to put our sheep on. Stay tuned. Are you gonna help us today? Mm-hmm. What do we have to do? What did we, oh, you found a rooster feather? Mm-hmm. We had to come up to the house and get a chain and the chainsaw.
What are you doing, Daddy?
I am changing the chain out on the saw.
Why?
Because this one's pretty dull and we got a nice new chain to put on here. What do you think of that?
Good.
All right. Hey guys, so we are actually out here today on what we call our back 40. If you see behind us, you know, we just recently cleared out a lot of that brush. I had my uncle come up and he brought his track loader in and he took out all that brush for us. Well, we recently box bladed all this land right here, and we have also seeded it, but of course the grass doesn't grow instantly. So we've made an arrangement with our neighbor. He's got a few acres next door to us. It's butting right up to our property. That's usually how neighbors work out.
Daddy,
yeah.
not even the part of the chainsaw.
Yeah, I took it apart, didn't I? And so we have made an agreement with him that he's going to let us lease some land from him, at least while this is growing up, and probably for the entire year. And that way we can rotate the sheep back and forth. So Ashley and Henry and myself are out here today, and we're gonna, in between us there's a lot of brush, so we're playing cleanup today, and we're gonna get this in shape, so tag along with us. So I've had this axe for a few years. This is actually a Gransfors Brooks small forest axe, and they're handmade, hand forged in Sweden. And I really enjoy this axe. I've got several different Gransfors Brooks products. We've got a small hatchet that I actually use whenever we go hunting. I gut all of our deer with it, and I've done that for like the last 4 years, and it works great. I'll never go back to a knife again. And this actually, we've used this as well, which helps split open that carcass. And then we've also got a Gransfors Brooks splitting maul. But one thing I like to use this axe for is whenever we're limbing trees like this. See, we don't want to cut this tree down, and with the small limbs that are coming out, instead of getting that saw out for these, it works good just to uses a couple whacks and it cuts it right off.
I'm pretty sure the purpose of safety glasses is to have them on your eyes and not on your head.
Don't be a safety Sally. But this thing is so sharp that it actually will shave the hair off of your arm, so it's pretty awesome. What are you, Jane? Are you Jane and I'm Tarzan?
Yeah.
Swing over here, Jane.
So we need to go get the tractor with the blade on the front so we can clear out some of this. So we have to go jump start it with the mower because the battery's dead. Not only is the battery dead, it's also out of gas.
I am really frustrated right now. This day has gone just horrible. The lawnmower wouldn't start. We had to run to town, buy a coil. Then the mowing deck wouldn't turn on. Chainsaw ran out of gas. This thing wouldn't start. Well, battery was dead. Battery was dead because Henry left the key on it and left the lights on it. And it was out of gas. Now it won't start. Things have only got to get better from here.
He's sending me to go get a can of starter fluid. So what were you doing, mowing around the perimeter where the fence is gonna go?
So we got quite the stuff done today, and we've got quite a bit more stuff to do yet. Man, this is a huge job just for a few sheep. But
Definitely.
at the end of the day, you know, it's going to be a fun family affair. Plus, this will really teach Henry something as he's growing up. You know, like we have the chickens, he knows about chickens. Now he's going to know about sheep, and this is a great thing for such a young man to know how to do. So we thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.